tie the stick together with the lantern as well as a candle. So let's get started with the preparation of the material. First, for the can, you're going to need to prepare the bottom can, the one that is rotating at the bottom, with both by punching holes through the middle of the basis of the can through the center axis. You can easily do this using the nail and the pliers, and in no time you will be able to make the holes. You also will punch a pair of holes through the other can, but this time in the direction perpendicular to its main axis. So over here, there's one hole in the middle, you can see it, and there's another hole on the other end. And this will allow the can to be stabilized in a horizontal direction like this. Optionally, you can also punch additional holes patterns in here, in whatever pattern that you like, so that when the light comes through, it's going to shine in a particular fashion on the wall or onto the ground as you move it around. Next up are the wire. This is very important because this is the backbone of your lantern. For the wire, you take this hanger. This is the shoulder part, and this is the bottom part, which is flat and straight. So take the pliers, and you can proceed to cut at the beginning of the shoulder and about halfway through the middle or the bottom. This should be long enough for most of the cans you can get. And the result, after that, you attach it with the bottom can. It's going to be something like this. So as you can see, this will allow you to, after that you can proceed to strengthen the shoulder of the wire a little bit so that it will become straight. And like this, with this you will proceed to make another 90 degrees turn on this end very sharply, and you are going to need the plier for this purpose, and with additional bending and nudging if necessary, so that you can have a moving base like this. And then it would be a simple matter of attaching the top can on top, just like so. Take a little bit of effort, but it shouldn't be firm. And you're going to have the moving base, just like so. And last but not least, as you can see, you can easily attach the base together with the stick through use of any wires system they can use. Over here I'm having this plastic string, which are coming very handy. And you can easily secure them so that they will stay in place and you can push them around. I won't be able to light the candle here, but in practice you will easily be able to attach the candle inside by means of just sticking it to the interior of the top can and then heating it from the outside so that the base will melt, and then it's going to be stick to the bottom of the top can. And with that, you're going to have your lantern. So in summary, the most important step that we need would be the procurement of the appropriate cans, and then ensure that they have the correct basis, one of them with both ends, and the other one with one end open. You need to make sure that the wiring are turned at appropriate 90-degree angles, so that the friction will be negligible and you can push this can around. So most importantly, you need to, when you're making this, is to be careful with the fire so that you not burn anything, and have fun. I'm pretty sure that you have a lot of fun making this lantern, and we will stay true to the spirit of the Mid-Autumn Festival in Vietnam, which is the celebration of children. So hopefully, even though you won't remember me from a year from now, even if you won't remember this presentation, just remember that to be creative and celebrate your inner child. Thank you.